United 1003, connect NorCal.
Hey, we got a problem. We just hit a drone. Stand by for a second. We'll go to NorCal, but we got to see what we're doing here.
Okay, and you said you hit a drone?
I think so.
Okay, I'll pass it along as well.
NorCal, United, what are we here? 10,003, 1,300, climbing 100.
1,003, got a Porsche for contact fighting 090.
Sorry, 1,003 is 090.
United 1,003, I got a Porsche for contact heading 090.
090. And United 1003, we may be returning to the field. Stand by. We'll get back to you here.
United 1003, copy. You want to stop at 4,000 for now?
Let's make it 5.
United 1003, amend your route to maintain 5,000.
United 1003, we're going to need some vectors around here to figure out what's going on. We may have hit a drone. We're trying to figure out what happened.
Okay, United 1003, turn right, heading 180.
I turn at 10.
1003, San Francisco, altimeter 2987, runway 28 right in use, runway 28 left is closed. Information, Mike is current.
Thanks, guys. We'll get back to you at 287.
Thank you. At 1003, contact NorCal 133.95.
3395. And NorCal United 1003, 5,000 and a vector here.
United 1003, NorCal approach. Good morning, say intentions. Did you want to land back to San Francisco or just troubleshoot?
Yeah, that's probably going to be our intention. We need to do some coordinating first, so give me a few minutes, sir. Just we'll keep going with layer vectors for the time being.
United 1003, roger. Advise if you'd like any altitude changes. Otherwise, 180, does that work for you?
Yeah, if you can just give us some vectors back and forth until we get ready for return. And United 1003, back with you here. We're going to go back to San Francisco. We're going to need a few minutes to get set up, okay?
United 1003, approved. Information Mike current. You can expect the ILS approach for 28 right.
ILS 28 right, and can you give us a vector? We're in the weather right now.
Center 1003, turn right heading 280. Vectors, I'll try and keep you north of that cell. And again, the ILS approach 28 right.
Alright, thank you. Right turn heading 20.
Ops 35, are you the chase vehicle?
Good morning, I'm East from Maribor. Charlie would like to cross 1
Ops 45, San Francisco Tower crossing A1 left, crossing A1 right on Charlie.
Clear cross 1 left and 1 right.
United 1003, when able, let me know the number of souls on board and the fuel in time.
Stand by.
45, they were on final, but it looks like they went to hold. They might be burning fuel, but I'll update you as soon as I know.
United 1003, we have 187 souls on board. And approximately 170 minutes, or 17,400 pounds.
187 souls, 170 minutes.
Stand by.
And JetBlue 434?
Go for JetBlue 434.
We are awaiting NorCal release, but also wanted to let you know the previous aircraft departed and hit a drone, so I'm not sure if you wanted to wait.
We're ready when you are, ma'am.
Actually, JetBlue 434, we're going to do a runway sweep just to make sure that there's nothing on the runway. If you could exit at Mike and turn right on Lima, Lima 2.
Mike, Lima, Lima 2, JetBlue 434.
Is there any other ops vehicles on frequency available to do a runway sweep?
United 1003, turn left heading 080.
Left turn heading 080, United 1003. And we're just wrapping up a few last minute checklist items when we'll probably be ready for vectors on the ILS 2 right in a minute.
United 1003, roger. FedEx 1545 Heavy, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5 today.
This is Tower, FedEx 1545 Heavy. Have a good weekend, sir. Take care.
JetBlue 434, no right, let up wait.
Last and wait.
Jumper 434, are you going to be comfortable departing with the drone strike from earlier?
Affirmative.
Jumper 434, wind 2105, running one right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, one right, blue, 434.
United 1003, do you require any further assistance other than just vectors to the ILS, and upon landing, do you need specific assistance on the ground?
Give me just a second, sir. Let me get through a checklist. I'll get right back to you.
Roger.
United 1003, we're ready for the approach, and just to be on the official side here, I guess we will declare an emergency. There's no damage to the aircraft, I don't think, but we also don't know, so if you could put that on file.
United 1003, roger.
I don't believe we're going to need assistance for United 1003.
United 1003, roger. This will be your base heading. Descend now, maintain at 3000.
Send now to 3000, United 1003.
United 1003, you're clear to San Francisco via radar vectors. Turn left heading 010, maintain 3000.
Okay, 3000, 310 for United 1003.
United 1003, you're now 7 miles from RG. Turn left heading 310, maintain 3000 until established. Cleared ILS, runway 28 right approach.
310, 3000 until established. Cleared ILS, runway 28 right approach, now 1003.
American 1198, wind 2206, running one right for takeoff.
Alright, American 1198, we're clear for takeoff. We just had some kind of wildlife run across the runway. It's clear of the runway, but just crossing.
American 1198, cancel takeoff clearance, hold position.
I will hold position, American 1198.
American 1198, exit the runway, turn right at Mike, Lima, Lima 2, we'll do a runway sweep.
I will exit the runway, Mike, Lima, Lima 2, was it?
Affirm.
Alright.
Ops 43, you still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Ops 43, let's do 19 left again.
Okay.
Ops 43, their aircraft reported some type of wildlife run across 19 left. Proceed on runway 1 letter left, hold short of runway 2 right.
United 1003, contact San Francisco Tower now 120.5.
20.5, United 2003. Tower, good morning, United 1003, we're back. ILS 28 right.
Ops 45, the subject aircraft on a 6-mile final. And United 1003, San Francisco Tower, good morning, wind 2307 on A2 right, gonna land, plan a right turn off the runway today.
Okay, we'll plan for a right turn off the runway, and runway 28 right, we are cleared to land for United 1003.
And American 1198, when you were on the runway, did the wildlife cross right to left or left to right?
Left to right, left to right.
So left to right, Ops 43, so west to east. And Ops 43, if you can go faster, I can get you across before the emergency comes in. That's 43, crossing A2 right, crossing A2 left.